Hi, it's Jenny with a watercoloured birthday card. I'm really enjoying watercolouring right now. For this card, I'll be using Sunshine & Bee Designs Winter Poinsettia stamp with Kathleen Pruller Designs inks and gold embossing powder. I was inspired to emboss this stamp with gold by Janet's golden poinsettia card, which I will link to here. I will link to the Sunshine & Bee online shop in the description area below, as well as all the other products I used for this card. I'm stamping the Winter Poinsettia stamp by Sunshine & Bee all over this background with Versamark Embossing Ink. I used my anti-static powder tool bag on the card first, so I can use gold embossing powder by Nuvo. My Versamark is a bit messy, so I can see where I've stamped, so I don't overstamp on any areas. Then I can pour the embossing powder over this whole piece in one go and heat set it all at once. I couldn't decide between peppermint scrub and sangria. Normally I would go with a red shade, which is peppermint scrub. I swatched out the colours and decided to use sangria. I put a drop of the sangria refill on the inside of the lid and used the full strength of the colour for the smallest petals. I'll speed up some of the colouring and skip some of the parts where I am off camera. I wanted to just use one colour for all the colouring. For the second layer of petals, I wanted a slightly lighter shade, so I added some water and even more water to dilute the colour for the last layer of petals. To make sure that this would look good, I coloured one full flower, and when I was sure that I would get enough difference in the shading, I worked on each layer before going on to the next one. All the top layer of leaves are with the full strength of the ink colour. The middle layer is slightly diluted colour, and the last layer with even more diluted colour. Doing the colouring this way leaves enough time for each layer to dry before colouring the petals next to the ones that are already coloured. The gold embossing looks gorgeous and shiny against the sangria colour. I watered down the sangria colour even more to colour the background. It's very light, but you can see a difference when it's placed next to an uncoloured piece of Bristol card. I stamped the happy birthday from Woodland Fox onto a piece of card and embossed it in gold too. I adhered this with foam tape to give the card some dimension. Here is a close-up photograph of the finished card. Does it need anything else? This may be a birthday card for Janet from Millie. Janet can just forget she watched this video, so it will still be a surprise. Please leave a comment and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube. Here are some more videos. See you soon. Bye.